So I'm going to show how I look at a list of emails in an Excel spreadsheet and then figure out which emails show up multiple times because we don't want redundant data. And then we can use that and we can take it out. So the first thing I'm going to do is share my screen so you can see the data that I'm looking at, which is right here. And I've already highlighted all the email addresses. So I'm just going to copy this. And now I am going to paste it into a word processor. And the reason I paste it into a word processor is because if I just paste it into like the the file maker that I'm trying to use, like all of the lines will show up from the Excel spreadsheet. So I have to paste it and I do paste and keep text only. And that way it's just going to give me a giant list of all the email addresses. So I can highlight all of them, I can copy them, and I can paste it into this window right here, which this is called text edit. And this allows you to make rich text files and plain text files. So right now, like the automatic default of text edit is a rich text file. So I need to change the format into a plain text. So I'm converting it into a plain text right now. And so that's what it is right here. And then I need to title my thing. So I'm going to title it emails.txt, and I need to save it into the same folder where the file that I make for Python is held in. So I save it right here, and then that's done, and I can get rid of this now. And now I go to my text editor. And the text editor I'm using is Atom, but it doesn't really matter what text editor you use. So right here, I have the line that says open blank, and the part in quotations is the file we're looking at. So right now it's looking at a different file than I wanted to. So I wanted to open to emails, and then I save it. So what this code is basically doing is it's making a dictionary, and dictionaries are kind of like this bag where you can put random words into it, and it'll count how many times each of those words show up. So if I have a dictionary and then the word apple is there 3 times, then it's going to show as apple 3. So 3 apples. So basically what this code does is that it adds all of the email addresses into the dictionary that I have right here, and then it's going to show me, it's going to print out which ones have a value greater than 1, so it shows up multiple times. So now I go to my terminal. You do terminal on Mac and you do something else on Windows. But basically, first thing you have to do is you have to change your directory so you're at the right spot. So I'm first changing my directory so I'm on my desktop. And if I do a look-see, then see, it'll show me everything that's on my desktop. So this is the folder that we want to go into. So I change my directory again, and I go py4e, and I'm in this folder. And if I look inside my folder, then I can see all the files that I have inside my folder. So this is the file that we're trying to run right now. And because it's a .py file, that means it's Python. So I have to first start, and I have to tell my computer I want to start running Python. And the version of Python we're running is Python 3. So we're running Python 3, and then I type in the title of the file that I want to run, and then I just press enter. And see, so now it's showing me all of these email addresses show up multiple times. And now I can go through into the Excel sheet and just delete all of the redundant email addresses. So that's everything you need to do. Right. Okay, you're good now.